Welcome to Riko's reading room. Today I'll read a funny book called Chrime. I hope you like it. Chrime by Burgerman. Once upon a time, a thief committed a crime. Everything he stole was replaced with a rhyme. Hammy's brand new hat was swapped for a cat. Gumpop's lovely head became a slice of bread. Oh, crumbs. Arnie's comfy chair was switched for a bear. Yikes! Tootle's loyal dog was taken for a log. Arr, arr. Moo Moo's fancy clogs were swapped for some frogs. We're slippy, not slippers. Gertie's pretty house was now a giant mouse. Do you have some cheese? Eek! Marlow's happy smile became a crocodile. Dingle's mighty sneeze, aaaaachooo, was swapped for stinky cheese. Cheese? Blue's yummy cake was taken for a snake. Sleepy Boomer's brain was switched for a train. Doot doot. The thief took Tumble's orange and swapped it with a splorenge, smorange, morange, forange, orange, gorange, zorange, borange, orange, porange. There's the thief! Is this the end of his tale? The thief was taken to jail. What terrible luck! I'm truly stuck. But by the very next day, the thief had run away. How did he escape? The end? The end. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Have a great day. See you soon.